Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can identify objects in an image using the Google Gemini image recognition. So in here, I've already opened the Gemini apps and I'm going to try upload an image and ask what is it to the Google Gemini. So here I have a photo of animals and I want to know what kind of animal is this. So I'm going to just ask what type of animal this is. And let's wait until the Gemini answer my questions. Okay, so you can see there will be an option. The animals in the image are meerkats. So there are also a brief explanations about the animals in here. If you want to, you can also modify the answer. You can try to ask them to regenerate the answer. You can see they will come with more answer. So if you want to, you can also copy the answers if you want to know more. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thank.